Hi, good morning. What's going on? This is the behind the scene. Look at this. Oh, Uncle Ron's taking picture.
Miriam.
Oh, what's happening?
Wow.
Wow, that's loud. Let's make it. Whoa! All right, Miriam. What? Miriam, where's your ball? Where's your pink bear? Where? Yeah, where's your pink bear?
Miriam.
What is it? Let me see. Let me see. Where are you going? Where are you going? Show me. Oh, clean up. Oh, I see. You have to put it there. I see. Very smart. Very smart. Okay, come. Alright, put it. Oh, I see. Put it. Alright, now we cover. Whoa.